Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So searching for music in Amazon Music is simple. You can find any song, artist or album in seconds using the built-in search feature. In this guide I will show you step by step how to search for songs in Amazon Music quickly and accurately. Okay, so first thing first, I'll open the search tab. Okay, so open Amazon Music like this and tap the search icon. This opens the search page. Now type what you are looking for. So in the search bar, enter song name or artist name or album title. For example, let's type Drake. Okay. Be as accurate as possible for better results. Okay. So tap the correct results. After searching, tap the song to play. For example, so I don't have the premium version, so I have to watch the ad. Okay, so tap the song to play as I said, or open the artist album page. You will see multiple results. Choose the right one. Okay, and you will see multiple results. Choose the right one. Then use filter if available. So some versions allow filtering like songs, albums, artists, playlists. It helps narrow down results quickly. Okay. You can also use search or use voice search. So type the microphone. Okay. Say the song or artist name. Okay, for example, play Travis Scott. It's great for hand-free use. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.